Good morning, everyone. Are you able to see a diagram on your screen? Are you able to identify the diagram? Yes, this diagram is of human digestive system, more appropriately called as alimentary canal. Can you recall some parts? Yes, I'll help you out. The very first part is mouth. Mouth leads to buccal cavity that helps in chewing and mastication of food. Yes, of course, right. Then the buccal cavity will lead to pharynx. Pharynx will lead to a long slender tube called as esophagus. Esophagus runs through the complete thorax and meets the stomach. The stomach is a bag-like structure that stores your food temporarily before the process of digestion actually starts in the small intestine. The stomach leads to small intestine, which is about 7 meters long in human adults. This provides the food with the enzymes that are required for digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. These enzymes are supplied to small intestine by liver and pancreas. Once the food is passed to large intestine from small intestine, the food has been absorbed from all the nutrients and is left with salts and water and undigested food material. In the large intestine, which is so called because of its larger lumen, it is not the long intestine, but it is the large intestine. Here, water and minerals which are left will be reabsorbed, and finally the undigested food material will be stored in the rectum and will be egested out through anus. Now, going into the details of the digestive system, the very first part is our buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is a cavity that is guarded by a pair of lips. If you open your lips, you will be able to see a cavity called as buccal cavity, where you are able to observe 32 teeth which help in chewing of the food. Then we have tongue that helps in movement of the food and cleaning of your cleaning of your buccal cavity. Tongue also helps in mixing up of saliva into your food. Now the third most important part of buccal cavity is salivary glands. Salivary glands will help in mastication of the food with mucus. That means to say lubrication of food so that it easily slides down the next parts of the digestive system. It will also supply starch digesting enzymes, also called as amylases. Amylases will help in the starting of the digestion of starch. Now, the food with the help of teeth, tongue, and salivary glands is ready to be slid down into the esophagus, and this ball of food which is ready to slide down the esophagus is known as bolus. Now, the bolus with peristaltic movements will slide down into your stomach. Thank you and have